Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. Today we are going to share a cultural story called 水中捞月. Once upon a time, a little monkey was playing near a well. Out of curiosity, it decided to take a look inside the well. Oh my goodness, the moon has fallen in the well! The big monkey heard the little monkey and he rushed over. He looked in the well as well and he said, oh no, the moon has fallen in the well. With all the noises they were making, the old monkey came out to see what was going on as well. He took a look into the well. Oh no, we're in big trouble. The moon has fallen in the well. By now, all the monkeys nearby had heard them. They all came over and they all looked in the well. Oh no, the moon has fallen in the well. We must fish it out of the water. All of the monkeys started saying that all at the same time. All the monkeys decided to climb up the big tree over the well and form a monkey chain. The little monkey was at the end. Take a look. They are all holding onto each other's feet to form the chain. So, the little monkey was able to come right up to the moon in the well, and he reached out. But every time he tried to pick up the moon would disappear. Oh no! But at the same time, the old monkey looked up. He noticed the moon is still up in the sky. He took a sigh of relief and yelled down the monkey chain, Stop! Stop! The moon is still up in the sky! So 水中捞月 translates to fishing the moon out of water. It means when you spin your wheels in the air to put effort into meaningless tasks, it is a waste of time. Before you decide to do something, you should take a moment to see if it is a good use of your time, consider it from different perspectives, and make the right decisions and take smart actions. Let's make sure your efforts are meaningful. I hope you have enjoyed the story. 水中捞月. Comment below to let me know your thoughts and what other stories you'd like to hear. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and sign up for the next story's notifications. Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. I can speak Chinese. See you next time.